Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Marvellex Classic token. Now the Marvellex Classic token is just about to be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Marvellex Classic token. Mlxc is the ticker symbol. This token is being listed May 13th, 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Mlxc, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the coin. I said token earlier, but it's actually a coin. Runs on its own blockchain. Their Explorer is explorer.marvellex.com if you want to check out their block explorer. And that's it. That's how you would get the token. It's on Mexc Global, and like I said, if you don't have an account, there's a referral code for Mexc in the description box. So the Marvellex blockchain introduces for the first time the concept of proof of staked gold, POSG, where the amount staked is not an unstable token minted from the ether, but the most widely accepted stable store of value, IH Gold, Marvellex Grand Stores, and Real Estate. So they do have a full white paper available on their webpage. Marvellex.com is their webpage, and then you'd go over to marvellex.com/marvellex-white-paper.pdf. 20-page white paper. So Marvellex blockchain is a fork of Ethereum's blockchain, and smart contract of Marvellex is capable of running all different kinds of applications on Marvellex's blockchain, such as tokens, games, payment systems, and IT projects, etc. Whereas Marvellex ecosystem has two coins as follows. So there is the Marvellex Classic. It's a digital loyalty coin powered by Marvellex blockchain, and Marvellex Gold. Marvellex Gold is a stable coin of Marvellex ecosystem. 1 gram of gold equals 1 Mlxc, 100% backed by gold with online custodian certificates for each coin. Marvellex blockchain is the door to secure blockchain-based trading. Marvellex is a unique project which has all required ingredients for top blockchain-based ecosystems. Marvellex ecosystem has answers to all questions asked by regulators and users. You can definitely tell this is translated. The grammar is a little bit off. I'm trying to correct it as I go, so if it sounds a little weird, it's not my fault, all right? This is definitely translated. Marvellex Classic is a loyalty coin powered by Marvellex's blockchain and a unique ecosystem which enables users to earn points and rewards on the Marvellex online store, known as the Marvellex Global Stores, as well as third-party retail outlets. Marvellex Classic is the flagship loyalty coin of the project, and it's designed to provide users with exclusive discounts and services through the Marvellex e-commerce platform. Unlike other loyalty programs, Marvellex's innovative approach leverages blockchain technology to ensure transparency, security, and accountability in its operations. The rewards and loyalty programs have become an essential tool for retailers to attract new users and retain existing ones. A recent Nelson report showed that 75% of consumers spend more and more frequently at retailers with loyalty programs. Marvellex recognizes the importance of more loyalty programs in driving business sales and visibility, and its unique ecosystem is designed to meet the needs of both retailers and consumers. So Marvellex Gold is the back stablecoin, and it's got proof of staked gold, as I mentioned earlier. The Marvellex philosophy, our vision, is to build an ecosystem for secure, efficient, and economical creation of exchange and value powered by scalable blockchain technology. So it's got stability, compatibility, staked-based governance for founders, accessibility. So the programs, we got the Marvellex Group Youth Support Program, the Marvellex Group Green Energy Support Program, the Low Cost Housing Project, the Agricultural Support Program, and the Charity Program. So some of the usages here, Marvellex Classic usages. Marvellex Classic holders will be eligible for discounts on e-commerce platforms and top priority of Marvellex groups to be benefited from the Marvellex project, which are mentioned above. Details will come on every project when they are launched. Then we have the gold, which is the stablecoin, the blockchain, that's pretty straightforward. And then they also have a Marvellex wallet. Of course, that would be for storing coins and tokens on the Marvellex blockchain. So 900 million circulating supply, total supply 700 billion, and as our future strategy, we will burn 86% of the total supply and be left with 98 billion total supply. Long-term release strategy. So they have the global store introduction. If you want to learn about their store, you can get discounts, of course, with the Marvellex coin. They have the global store information there. They show, like, you know, what they sell, apparel, all that type of stuff here. The loyalty program, software house, user mechanism, and then there's a summary at the bottom of their page. There's contact information. You could reach out to them if you need to. But yes, this token gets listed May 13th, 12 o'clock UTC time. If you want to check out their socials, they have a Twitter at MarvelleXCoin on Twitter. They have a Telegram at Marvellex Official on Telegram. And their Twitter, at MarvelleXCoin, 64 tweets so far. They almost have 2,000 followers, so they're just kind of starting out here. So yeah, brand new project getting listed here on Mlxc Global. So check out that Mlxc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.